Hi, I'm John. I work for NBC Environment, and today we're going to do some guano cleaning. It's pigeon faeces. I'll give you one on the job and show you what we're doing. Anyway, this is the sort of thing we're up against. The main problem with this guano cleaning is obviously the diseases it causes. We spray that all over the guano, kills all the diseases in the muck, if you like, and then we bag it up and basically just get rid of it. The best thing to do in a situation like this is net it off. Net it off from above here, above the sills, all the way around, because basically what they're doing here, they're sitting along the string line here, and it's just all around the building. Right, day 2, all clean, safe to walk around. I'll just give you a quick look. After 30 bags of guano and a bit of power washing, bit of elbow grease. I mean, you're never going to get rid. You've got the staining on the walls here, bits of staining, white staining, which you're not going to get rid of. So we've done all that. So it goes around here. Up we go. We've done all this. This is 2 days, 2 men, and a bit of hard graft, but yeah, it looks really well. Down there as well. All this, and I mean this was caked as well, absolutely caked. Like I said, we've got, I think there's 28 or 30 bags there now, ready to be picked up off a specialised company. Yeah, that's it, job done. Happy days.